Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making fried yellow croaker. Let's get right to it. To start, prepare yellow croakers, remove the scales, remove the gills and all the inner organs. Make a cut from the chain of the fish down to the end of the belly area. Rinse the fish and soak in water. Then add chopped scallions, ginger slices, salt, and cooking wine. Marinate for 1 hour. To make batter, add egg, flour, cornstarch, little baking powder, and water. Stir everything well until you got a nice batter. Dip yellow croakers into batter to coat. Chop fish into hot oil and fry until both sides become golden brown. Serve immediately and then fried yellow croaker is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and see you until next time.